So this is how you have to write down a letter of complaint. Okay, so you got how to write down a letter of complaint. It means that when you write down a letter of complaint, sender's address, leave line, write down date. Then leave line, write down receiver's address. And when you have written down receiver's address, write down subject. What is the subject? Complaint about. And then ultimately, dear sir, para 1, write down what you have purchased, when you have purchased, with date, bill number, model if any. Okay, so after writing it down, then para 2 you will write problem in detail. Write the problem in detail. What are the problems? Write down about various defects of the product. What are the problems? And then in para 3 you will write down, you will make a request to sort the problem. How to sort the problem? That means either to send an engineer to fix the problem or to replace it as it is under warranty period. Okay, and how to fix it? And to fix it as it is under warranty period. Okay, so this is a letter of complaint. Okay, this is a letter of complaint to a company. Means this is related to a company. Okay, so one more letter of complaint I will give you, that I'm going to give you tomorrow, so that you can have a regular practice of it. Today what you have to do, you have to write it today. Okay, now who will speak that what we can write down? Yes, Bani, roll number 7. Roll number 7, yes, Bani, can you explain how you will write down?
Yes, ma'am. In para 1, with great respect, I would like to inform you that what is the problem about what we have bought and the authorized dealer number and wide number on which date you have purchased, and tell all the information about the refrigerator to the authorized dealer. And in para 2, we will write about its problem in detail, that it is not working or the cooling system is spoiled and eatables are spoiled. It automatically gets off. While working, it creates a lot of noise. There is no auto defrosting in it. Because of this, there is a deposition of ice in the ice chamber, and
Very
cooling is not lower part of the refrigerator. In third para, we will read our complaint to the authorized dealer that we have written a letter before, but they have taken no step about this. So either send engineer to fix it or replace it with a new refrigerator, as it is under 2-year guarantee period.
Very good, excellent. Keep it up, Bani. Now who else will speak in this class? Mishti, roll number 30, can you? Yes, Mishti, can you explain? Can you speak? No, not as yet. Rishita? Yes, Rishita, you are also very good child. You can also speak. I think she has entered late. This is the reason why she is not able to speak. Am I right, Rishita? Yes, Suhana. Yes, Suhana. I would love to listen from Suhana. Yes, Suhana.
Yes, ma'am. In para 1, we will be writing that with great regret, I would like to inform about the refrigerator that we have taken. We will be writing all the details that from where we have bought, the manufacturer, and we will be writing the model number along with white number
Very
also.
good.
We will be writing the date
Hmm.
on which we have bought the refrigerator.
Very
In paragraph 2, we will be writing the problem in detail.
hmm. Yes. Okay.
That what is the problem about the refrigerator and
Hmm.
what are its effects. In paragraph 4, we'll be writing that
Hmm.
we have made a complaint earlier also,
Hmm.
and we will be asking or requesting the manager to exchange or repair the refrigerator as it is under warranty period.
Okay, fine, right. Okay. This is how you have to write down a letter of complaint. So I think for the, you can say chapter that we have started yesterday, fire, friend and foe. All the questions has been done. So let us just at once have the last question. I think one was left on that day. Yes, that is Saturday. Let us start with that. Back exercise we have done. So come up to page number 120. 120. Okay, page number 120. Now on page number 120, there is given working with language. The second part of this is fill in the blanks in the sentences below with words from the box. You may use a word more than once. First is Gandhiji's life was devoted to the dash of justice and fair play. What will be the right answer? Cause. Next is, have you insured your house against what? Against fire. Third is, diamond is nothing but dash in its pure form. What is it? This is a question of science. It is carbon in its pure form. If you put too much coal on the fire at once, you will dash it. You will smother it. Smoking is said to be the main dash of heart disease. It is again cause. Next, when asked by an ambitious writer whether he should put some dash into his stories, what will be the answer here? Fire. Some Somerset Maugham murmured, no, the other way round. Next, she's a dash copy of her mother, carbon copy. Let me unmute Harshia. She wants to give answers. Yes, Harshia, you are unmuted. So,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, it is often difficult to dash a yawn.
Smoother.
Smothered yawn, right. So yes, one question number 8, page number 120. I think we haven't discussed that. What are some of the things you should do to prevent a fire at home and in the school? So what are the different things you should do to prevent fire in school and at home? So first of all, one be very particular to stop fire in school at home. What we should do? We should not put dry fuel near what? Near heat. Okay. Keep heat as well as dry fuel away from each other. Moreover, what? In school also all the electrical appliances must be fitted properly so that no electric or so that no short circuit will be there, and no what will not be there, so that no short circuit will be there to cause any kind of fire. Moreover, then what? Children are not allowed to bring matchsticks in the class or near the house, right? Bhavesh also wants to say something. Yes, Bhavesh, I would like to listen from you. Yes, Bhavesh, what you want to say? Yes, Bhavesh, you can speak now. No. Yes, you want to say something? Voice is not audible. Harshia, you can speak.
Yes, ma'am.
You can speak for this answer.
Yes, ma'am. In the school, all electrical appliances must be kept far from flammable things like furniture, and at home, turn
Very
off
good.
the gas supply of stove after use.
Yes. Then at home also what you can do, that cooking gas burners should be switched off properly when not in use, so that there would not be any spread of LPG, right? Gas cylinders, they must also be kept where they must be kept. Gas cylinders, they must also be kept at they must also be kept away from the site of fire, right? So, and fuel and other, you can say like fuel like diesel and petrol or kerosene oil, they should not be placed near places where we lit fire. So these are some of the common things that we can do in order to prevent the spread of fire, right? So this we have done. Now coming up to question next part 3 on the next page 121. One word is italicized. Now we have to write down the opposite, right? Okay, very good. So first is you are required to keep all the doors open. What is the opposite of open is? Shut. Easy. Next, pupil. What mark did I get in yesterday's maths test? Teacher. You got what you get when you add 5 and dash 10 from the total. So what is the opposite of add is? Subtract. Subtract. Next is run 4 kilometers a day to preserve your health. Run a lot more to dash it. Preserve, opposite of preserve is destroy. Now, if a doctor advises a lean and lanky patient to reduce his weight further, be sure he is doing it to dash his income. What is the opposite of reduce is increase. Next, the word is too much with us, late and soon. Getting and dash. Getting and dash. Getting, and here getting refers to base spending. Getting and spending. Next, question number 4. The cat chased the mouse, dash the lawn. It is across. Next, we were not allowed to cross the frontier, so we drove, dash it. It is along. The horse went, dash the winning post. It is past. It is not difficult to see, dash your plan. Through. See through means to know your plan, secret plan. Go dash the yellow line. It is go along the yellow line. So this is all for today's work. Your chapter fire and ice is complete, and your letter of complaint. Tomorrow we will do one more letter of complaint, and then we will start with the next